Imagine this. You're just trying to find a spare part, and suddenly you're lost in a maze of numbers, product names, and endless lists. Sounds stressful? It doesn't have to be, because at Collomix we've got Parts Pilot, your smart guide through the world of spare parts. Just open the website, enter the C number, serial number, or product name. You can find all this on the nameplate. And boom, there's your part. Or simply click your way through to the right product until you land on the exact part you need. For more complex machines, our part groups keep everything organized so you never lose track. Want to see every detail? Our interactive exploded view gives you a crystal clear look inside, almost like an X-ray. Found your part? Drop it in the cart. Everything neatly in one place. When you're done, download your cart as an Excel file and process it directly in your ERP system. Or just send us a request. Enter your address, choose your shipping option, and we'll create a custom quote for you. Give us the green light by 12 noon, your part usually ships the same day. Once it arrives, make sure it's installed by a professional, but we're guessing that's you. Parts Pilot. Find, click, done, so you can get back on track.